Alright, in this video we're going to practice another sound swap word chain. Remember, we always start with the counters first to get a bit of extra practice, and then we'll move on to our letter tiles. Alright, so the first word, I'm going to give you the word and we're going to break it up into its sounds by pointing to the counters, and then we're going to bring them down into the boxes as we say them, and then we're going to blend the word back together by sliding our finger along. Alright, so the first word we're making in this chain is Pam. Pam. Now we're going to change the word Pam to Tam. So we had but now we want Which one changed? Swap it out. So we have Tam. Now we want to change Tam to Tim. So we had we want Which one changed? Swap it out. Tim. Now we want to change Tim to Sim. Which one changed? Swap it out. Sim. Now we're going to change Sim to Sam. So we had now we want Which one changed? Let's swap it out. Sam. Now we're going to change Sam to Sap. So we had but now we want Sap. Which one needs to change? Swap it out. Sap. Now we're going to change Sap to Cap. So we had Sap, but we want Cap. Which one changed? Swap it out. Cap. Now we're going to change Cap to Tap. So we had Cap. Now we want App. Which one changed? Swap it out. Tap. Now we're changing tap to tip. So we had app. Now we want ip. Which one needs to change? Swap it out. Tip. Tip. Now we're going to change tip to sip. So we had ip. Now we want sip. Which one changed? Swap it out. Sip. Sip. Last one, we're going to change sip to sit. So we had sip, but we want sit. Which one changed? Swap it out. Awesome. Now we can get rid of the counters and we're going to bring in our letter tiles. Let's practice what the sounds were again first. When I show them to you, I want you to say it with me. K. A. T. I. All right. Remember, our first word was Pam. Let's find the letter tiles we need for the sounds in the word Pam. A. Let's bring them down. A. Pam. Now we want to change Pam to Tam. Which one needs to change? Swap it out. tam. Now we're going to swap tam to tim. Which sound do we need to change? We need t, m. Swap it out. T, m, tim. This time we're going to swap tim to sim. We need s, m. Which sound do we need to swap? Swap it out. Say it with me. S, m, sim. Well done. This time we're swapping a sound to turn sim into sam. We need s, m. Which sound changed? What do we need? Swap it out. Say it with me. S, sam. Good job. Let's change sam to sap. We need sap. Which one needs to change? Swap it out. Sap. Sap. Now we're going to change sap to cap. We need k-ap. Which one needs to change? Swap it out. K-ap. Cap. Now we're going to change cap to tap. We need t-ap. Which one needs to change? Swap it out. T-ap. Tap. Now we're going to change tap to tip. We have t-ap, but remember we want t-ip. Which one changes? Swap it out. T-ip. Tip. Now we're going to change tip to sip. We need s-ip. Which one needs to change? Swap it out. S-ip. Sip. The last one, we're going to change our word sip to sit. We need s-it. Which one do we need to change? Swap it out. S-it. Sit. Well done.